Do you have a way to inform yourself immediately when there is flooding at your home? If your answer is no, then this video is exactly for you. I will show you how to use Home Assistant and Shelly Flood Sensor to detect any leakages at your home immediately. We will use some Home Assistant automations and MQTT protocol. Coming up! What's up, KPeyanski is here. Very recently I had a small leakage, drop by drop, from the pipes under my kitchen sink. And I found out about it after a day. But the damage to my kitchen cabinets was already done. Accidental flooding at your home from defective valves, pipes or connections can be very expensive if you don't catch the leakage immediately. Fail to do so and you will have to fix the flooring, change furniture, paint or all of these things at once. Now I'm determined to put as many flood sensors as needed to detect any leakages on time. To accomplish that, I will use Home Assistant and Shelly Flood Sensor. I will use a MQTT server to help me with this integration. After that, I will be able to trigger all sorts of notifications like calls, messages, mails and so on using Home Assistant automations. I will show you the whole process step by step, but first let's smash the like button together to scare all floods and leakages, and then to see how the Shelly Flood Sensor looks like. This is the Shelly Flood Sensor with temperature measurement, leakage sensor, battery life up to 1 year, I saw 18 months somewhere in the manual, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, sound alarm, temperature sensor, embedded web server, push notifications, and it can work from -40 degrees Celsius to +60 degrees Celsius. Let's see what we have in the box. I will use this knife to open the box. This is the sensor, Shelly Flood, rated 3 volts, battery CR123A is required, and we have some legs from metal here that can be pressed, and we have a user guide. The needed battery for the Shelly Flood sensor is CR123A. It is stated in the manual that the Shelly Flood can last from 12 to 18 months with one battery. Let's see how we can add the battery. Okay, let's try to open this sensor. I have to twist it a bit. And this is the Shelly Flood from inside. I have this reset button here. These are female pins if you wish to flash the device with some custom firmware. And I have to add a battery here. This is the minus, this is the plus. Okay, the battery is inserted. It's flashing slowly, that means it's in AP mode and it's ready for pairing. I'll close the sensor now. Okay, the sensor is closed. You can see the LED flashing from the plastic. So let's continue with the pairing process. Any of the Shelly products that I reviewed till now can be added in the Shelly mobile app. And Shelly Flood is no exception. Of course, you can decide how to control or monitor your device, and you have two options: using the Shelly Cloud or using the device only locally. The choice is entirely yours. Let's now integrate Home Assistant and Shelly Flood Sensor. Open your Home Assistant and go to Configuration, Integrations, Add Integration. Search for Shelly, click on it. Before setup, battery-powered devices must be woken up by pressing the button on the device. Okay, I'm going to do that on the Shelly Flood. Now I will enter the IP of the Shelly Flood device and I will click Submit. Shelly Flood is found, success, and finish. Very good. If I click on it, I can see one device and three entities. Battery sensor, binary fluid sensor, and temperature sensor. And if I go back, and if I click on the device, I can add these entities to the Home Assistant Lovelace, just like that. And if I go to Overview, I can see that the binary Shelly Flood sensors is saying dry. This is the temperature, and the only sensor that is missing is the battery level. I can go to Edit Entity Card, and I can add this sensor, Shelly Flood battery. It's 100% safe, and I'm basically ready. The temperature and battery level sensors seems to work out of the box, but unfortunately the binary flooding sensor is like in a freezer and it won't move. I believe that Home Assistant Shelly integration for battery powered devices will be fixed sooner than later. Meanwhile, we are not going to just sit and wait. On the contrary, we are going to use MQTT protocol to detect leakages and to start Home Assistant automations. Here is what needs to be done. To enable the MQTT, I'll go to Internet and Security, Advanced Developer Settings, and I will enable action execution via MQTT. I'll enter my MQTT username here and password, as well as my MQTT broker IP, and I'll leave everything else as it is and I'll hit save. MQTT settings are saved. I'll not disable the cloud for now. To check if everything is okay, I'll open the MQTT Explorer. Connect.
A few moments later.
Shelly's. Okay, this is it. Shelly Flood. Online through the sensor, temperature, fluid, false. Very good. You must have a MQTT broker up and running. One of the most popular ones is called Mosquito. You can install it standalone or as Home Assistant add-on. When you start your MQTT broker, you have to add it to your Home Assistant. Here is how. I will quickly add a MQTT broker to my Home Assistant installation by going to Configuration Integrations, Add Integration, MQTT. I'll enter my IP where the Mosquito MQTT broker is installed. This is my user, and this is my password, and I'll click Submit. The MQTT broker is now added and I can access the topics inside, so I can make an automation now. Now we can create a Home Assistant automation that will monitor the Shelly Flood MQTT topic for changes and to inform us if there is any. This is how you can create such Home Assistant automation. I'll create one simple automation now using this MQTT. I'll go to Automations, Add Automations, keep this. MQTT Flood Detection, for example, is the name. The trigger will be MQTT, and the topic, I'll get it from the MQTT Explorer. This is it, Shelly's Flood, currently payload is false. I'll copy this topic and I'll paste it right here. And the payload will be true. So when this topic becomes true, that means there is flood detected. Execute this service, create persistent notification, create with a message Flood is detected thanks to MQTT and the like button. Now hit save. Time to test everything and to subscribe if you haven't done that already. Or at least leave a like. Or at very least just watch the test. And I'll just put the Shelly Flood sensor back in the water. Okay, let me check what happened. Flood is true and I have a notification. Very good, very good. Everything is working. I also received the Shelly Cloud mail, Shelly Flood detected water, and I also received Shelly app notification, push notification on my phone. So everything is fine. Any sort of engagement on this channel does really help a lot with the YouTube algorithm. So you make sure that you hit the subscribe, like and bell buttons if you enjoyed this video. Also, feel free to add me on Twitter by searching for this username. I'm trying to post there frequently. You can also find me on my Discord server as well. If you want to secure this channel existence, you can become one of my supporters. You can see exactly how in the video description below. Thank you very much to all wonderful guys that are supporting my channel already. You guys are amazing. If you are just entering the smart home world, you could also buy my digital product called Smart Home Getting Started Actionable Guide. I really hope that you find this information useful and you now know how to detect floods and leakages using Home Assistant and Shelly Flood Sensor. Stay safe and don't forget, home smart but not hard. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.